Dear students, in the last class we are dealing with the concept of logarithmic differentiation. That topic is completed. So next topic is exponential derivatives. What is exponential? A function is of the form e power or a power is called exponential function. So we have to find the derivative of exponential function. We know the standard result, that is d divided by dx of e power x. That value is equal to e power x. And we must know the concept, that is d divided by dx of e to the power of w. Means chain rule. That value is equal to e power w into d divided by dx of w. So we continue with the problem. Find dy by dx of the followings. The problem is appear in different ways. For example, differentiate with respect to x, or find dy divided by dx, or find the derivative, like that. In the problem number 1, this problem is appear in your model question paper. And that problem is, if y is equal to e power minus x, then find dy by dx. Or in other words, find the derivative of e power minus x with respect to x. Or differentiate e power minus x with respect to x. 3 types alli ee problem na kettar. Okay. First solution. Let us consider y is equal to e to the power of minus x. And in the next step, differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to. In the right hand side we have e to the power of minus x. Consider minus x as a dabba. We apply the chain rule. What is the derivative of e power dabba? E power dabba is nothing but e power dabba into d divided by dx of dabba. Instead of dabba we have minus x is there. So what is the derivative of minus x? Minus the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, minus 1. Finally we write answer is minus e power minus x. You understood? Suppose we write in another step, that is like that, into d divided by dx of e to the power of minus x. Finally we have that value is equal to the derivative of d divided by dx of minus x. The derivative of minus x is minus 1 minus e to the power of minus x. It is the final answer. Okay. In the next problem, that problem is appear in your examination March 2018 for 1 mark. Y is equal to e to the power of x cube. Find dy divided by x. Dy divided by dx. So first consider the problem. Note the year, that is March 2018. Y is equal to e to the power of x cube. Consider x cube as box or dabba. And then in the next step, differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to e power dabba. The derivative of e power dabba is nothing but e power dabba into d divided by dx of dabba. Dabba we have x cube. E power x cube into d by dx of x cube. ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx is equal to ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. What is the derivative of x cube? the derivative of x cube is nothing but 3x square. 3x square into write e power x cube as it is, e to the power of x cube as it is. It is the final answer. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಜರ್. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2018 ಫಾರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, y is equal to e to the power of cos x. y is equal to e to the power of cos x. e to the power of cos x. So first we have to take the problem, that is let y is equal to and then next differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of y? The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to consider cos x as a dabba. So the derivative of e power dabba is nothing but e power dabba. E power dabba is nothing but e power cos x into d divided by dx of cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So dy divided by dx is equal to, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x into e to the power of cos x. This is the final answer. Okay. Next one. Fourth problem. Y is equal to e to the power of sin inverse x. So first take the problem, that is let y is equal to e to the power of sin inverse x. Consider sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is dabba. So next line, differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to what is the derivative of e power dabba? The derivative of e power dabba is nothing but e power dabba, e power sin inverse x into d divided by dx of sin inverse x. So what is the derivative of sin inverse x? The derivative of sin inverse x is dy divided by dx is equal to e to the power of sin inverse x into the derivative of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So write like that, root of 1 minus x square. It is the final answer. Or in other words, e to the power of sin inverse x into 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. ಆ ತರನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Okay. Next problem number fifth one. Problem number fifth one. Y is equal to log of sin x. This problem is appeared in March 2014 for 1 mark. Note the year mentioned in your notes, that is March 2014, 1 mark. If y is equal to log of sin x, find dy divided by dx. First let us take the problem, that is let y is equal to, and then in the next step differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to consider this one is a dabba. So what is the derivative of log x? the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So extend into the chain rule. The derivative of log dabba is nothing but 1 by dabba into d by dx of dabba. 1 divided by dabba. Dabba is nothing but sin x into d divided by dx of dabba. Dabba is nothing but sin x. So dy divided by dx is equal to 1 divided by sin x into what is the derivative of sin x? The derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x. So finally dy divided by dx is equal to 1 into cos x is nothing but cos x. Cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x is cot x. So the derivative of log of sin x will be equal to cot x. Important problem appeared in the March 2014. So next one more important problem, problem number sixth one. Problem number sixth one. Y is equal to sin of log x. Y is equal to sin of log x. This problem is appeared in two different types. First type is y is equal to sin of log x. Then find dy divided by dx. So answer for the first one is directly differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to in the right hand side we have a sin of log x. Consider log x as a box. So sin dabba, the derivative of sin dabba is nothing but cos dabba into d divided by dx of dabba. Inside the dabba we have a log x. Finally dy divided by dx is equal to what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. So final answer is cos of log x whole divided by x. Cos of log x whole divided by x. This one is the final answer. This problem is appeared in your question paper for 1 mark only. The same problem is appeared for 2 marks. The problem is of the form if y is equal to sin of log x. If y is equal to sin of log x, then prove that dy divided by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by x. This problem is appeared in question paper for 2 marks. This one is for 1 mark. Suppose if the problem is if y is equal to sin of log x, find dy by dx, it is for 1 mark. If the problem is if y is equal to sin of log x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by x. This is for 2 mark. Sir, how to get dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by x? So first we take the problem, let y is equal to sin of log x. And then next take sin to the left hand side. It becomes a sin inverse. By the inverse trigonometric functions, take sin to the left hand side. It becomes sin inverse of y is equal to log x. Sine inverse of y is equal to log x. And then now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Instead of x we have a y. So apply the chain rule. Chain rule is nothing but sine inverse of y. The derivative is nothing but 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square. The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to, are you understood? Sine inverse of y, the derivative of sine inverse y is 1 divided by root of 1 minus y square into the derivative of y is dy divided by dx. What is the derivative of log x? The derivative of log x is 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x. So, ನೀವು next line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. dy divided by dx is equal to cross multiply this term, that is root of 1 minus x square becomes in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So finally the problem is root of 1 minus y square divided by x. This is the final answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8th one. If y is equal to e to the power of 3 log x, then find dy by dx. ಇದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಬರೆದು ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8th one, y is equal to e power 3 log x. So first let us take the problem, and then before we are going to differentiate, first we use the property that is m log n is equal to log n to the power of m. This is the properties of logarithms. So by the properties of logarithm, y is equal to e to the power of take 3 to the x power. By the property m log n can be written as log n power m. So then the value is e to the power of log x cube. And we know one more property, that is e to the power of log base e. Suppose f of x is there, then the value is equal to f of x. E to the power of log base e, f of x is equal to f of x. So it is of the form e to the power of log e f of x. So we have to write y is equal to these two are cancelled, we get x cube. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. e ಪವರ್ ಡಬ್ಬ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಬ್ಬ, ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. y is equal to x cube ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. Then dy divided by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of x cube? The derivative of x cube is nothing but 3x square. It is the final answer. This problem is also appeared in your model question paper. So this one is also important problem for 1 mark. Next one, 9th one, y is equal to e power x divided by sin x. This problem is of the form u divided by v. So apply the quotient rule, or in other words, 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x is nothing but cosecant x, e power x into cosecant x. Product rule use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is, that problem can be written as y is equal to e to the power of x into cosecant x. ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ y is equal to e power x divided by sin x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡೂ ತರನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to denominator square. Denominator square is nothing but sin x whole square or sin square x. Take denominator as it is, sin x, into write the derivative of numerator. The derivative of numerator is e power x minus. Next, write numerator as it is, e power x as it is. Write the derivative of denominator. The derivative of sin x is cos x. So finally, dy divided by dx is equal to, in the numerator take e power x as a common factor. Then e power x sin x minus cos x whole divided by sin square x. It is the final answer in the quotient rule. The same problem is solved by product rule also. Try yourself by using product rule. And then next, same problem, cos x divided by log x. This is also of the form u by v. So differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to, in the denominator we have a denominator square, that is log x whole square. And then take log x as it is into, write the derivative of numerator. Numerator is cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus. Take numerator as it is, cos x as it is, into write the derivative of denominator. In the denominator we have a log x. The derivative of log x is 1 divided by x. In the final step, that is dy divided by dx is equal to, here is also minus, here is also minus. So take minus as a common. The remaining thing is, in the numerator we have a sin x into log x. Plus here cos x divided by x. Whole divided by denominator log x whole square. Or in other words, take x as a LCM. So x is multiplied to the sin x into log x, and this x is to the denominator, that is x into log x whole square. It's enough. Okay, and then next one. These two problems are by using quotient rule. Next problem is 11th one. Y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Log of something is nothing but dabba. So differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx dy divided by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of cos dabba? The derivative of cos dabba is minus sin dabba. Minus sin dabba is nothing but log x plus e power x into write the derivative of dabba. Write the derivative of dabba is nothing but d divided by dx of log x plus e power x. Log x plus e power x. So write the derivative of log x plus e power x. Finally, dy divided by dx is equal to minus of sin of log x plus e power x into what is the derivative of log x? The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus what is the derivative of e power x? The derivative of e power x is nothing but e power x. So this is the final answer. And then in the next problem, y is equal to e power x plus e power x square plus etc. e to the power of x power 5. Find dy divided by dx etc. So e power x is there, next e power x square, next will be e power x cube, next will be e power x power 4. So write the derivative of all the terms. Find and differentiate with respect to x, that is differentiate with respect to x. But the derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to the derivative of e power x is e power x plus. In the second step, consider x square as a dabba. So the derivative of e power dabba is e power dabba into d divided by dx of dabba, that is nothing but x square plus. Next term is e power x cube. So write the derivative of e power x cube, that is e power dabba, that is x cube, e power x cube into d divided by dx of x cube. And then in the next step, e power x power 4 will be there, e to the power of x power 4 will be there. So plus e to the power of x power 4 into d divided by dx of x to the power of 4. Finally, plus in the last step, e power x power 5 is there. So e to the power of x power 5, it is dabba. E power x power 5 into d divided by dx of x power 5. D divided by dx of x power 5. So final answer is dy divided by dx is equal to first one is e power x plus the derivative of x square is 2x. So 2x into e power x square plus the derivative of x cube. The derivative d by dx of x cube is nothing but 3x square. So 3x square into e power x cube plus the derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube into e to the power of x power 4. Finally, plus the derivative of x power 5 is 5x to the power of 4 into e to the power of x power 5. This one is the final answer. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಎರಡೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ number 13th one. Y is equal to log of cos of e power x. Y is equal to log of cos of e power x. This problem is also in your model question paper. Y is equal to log of cos of e power x. So find the derivative of log of cos of e power x. Consider this term is dabba. In the next step, that is differentiate with respect to x. This is chain rule. 3 chain is there. So the derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of log dabba? The derivative of log dabba is nothing but 1 by dabba. 1 by dabba is nothing but cos of e power x into d divided by dx of dabba. Inside the dabba we have a cos of e power x. So d by dx of cos of e power x. You understood? Then in bit pudutira next e step alli idra ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ this simplified ಆಗಿದೆ. Next we have to find the derivative of cos of e power x. So to find the derivative of cos of e power x, consider e power x as a dabba. Okay, that is dy divided by dx. dy divided by dx is equal to 1 divided by cos of e power x into what is the derivative of cos dabba? The derivative of cos dabba is minus sin dabba. Minus sin dabba is nothing but e power x into once again d divided by dx of e to the power of x. And then next is step ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು. ನೀವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರಿತಾದಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ e power x. What is the derivative of e power x? The derivative of e power x is e power x only. So sin e power x divided by cos e power x. Sin by cos is nothing but tan e power x. Here minus is there, so minus tan e power x into what is the derivative of e power x? The derivative of e power x is nothing but e power x itself. So ಈ ತರ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 14th one. Problem number 14th one. Y is equal to sin of tan inverse e power minus x. Sin of tan inverse e power minus x. So let us consider this is a dabba. Here is also chain rule. 4 chain is there. E power x, here e power minus x. So here 3 chain, here 4 chain. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of sin dabba? The derivative of sin dabba is cos dabba. Cos. Inside the dabba we have tan inverse of e power minus x into d divided by dx of dabba. Dabba is nothing but tan inverse of e power minus x. So illinda nodtira, this one is simplified, and then here find the derivative of tan inverse of e power minus x. So e power minus x is a dabba. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. What is the derivative of tan inverse dabba? 1 divided by 1 plus dabba square into d by dx of dabba. So dy divided by dx is equal to cos of tan inverse e power minus x into the derivative of tan inverse dabba is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus dabba square. Dabba place ali e power minus x ಇದೆ, e power minus x whole square into d divided by dx of e power minus x. into d divided by dx of e power minus x. That is dy divided by dx is equal to in the numerator we have cos of tan inverse e power minus x in the numerator divided by, here multiplication is there, so multiplied into 1, then divided by 1 plus e to the power of minus x into 2 by the laws of indices, e to the power of m whole power n, that is e to the power or a to the power of m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. So by this result, that value can be written as minus 2x into we already find the derivative of e power minus x in the first problem of the exponential derivatives. In the e power minus x, we have to consider minus x as a dabba. E power minus x into d by dx of minus x. D by dx of minus x is nothing but minus 1. So right, finally minus is there, minus e to the power of minus x is the answer. The derivative of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. So ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಟು ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, next question number 15th one. Y is equal to root of e power root x for x greater than 0. Find dy divided by dx. So here that value is double. Inside the root we have a double. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is dy divided by dx is equal to what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Here root dabba. So 1 divided by 2 root dabba. In the place of dabba we have a e power root x into d divided by dx of e power root x. So next, find the derivative of e power root x. Let us consider the root x as dabba. E power dabba. Okay. Next, dy divided by dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 into root of e power root x into what is the derivative of e power dabba? E power dabba into d divided by dx of dabba. Dabba we have a root x. So dy divided by dx is equal to 1 into e power root x is nothing but e power root x divided by 2 into root of e power root x into what is the derivative of root x? The derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. Finally, dy divided by dx is equal to multiply both the numerator e power root x into 1, it becomes e power root x divided by the denominator we have a 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4 into root of root x into root y, root of xy. So x into e to the power of root x, x into e to the power of root x. This is the final answer. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Here root x, total value as x. Here root y, root x into root y, root x into root y, that value is equal to root of x into y. By the same method, root of x place x ಬರ್ದಿದೆ, y place e power root x ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. This is the final answer. And then next one, Next one, 16th one, y is equal to e to the power of secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x. Find dy divided by dx. So first differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y is nothing but dy divided by dx is equal to, let us consider the secant square x as a dabba. What is the derivative of e power x? E power x. E power dabba into d by dx of dabba. So e to the power of dabba is nothing but secant square x into d divided by dx of secant square x plus 3 into what is the derivative of cos inverse x? The derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Here the derivative of secant square is simplified in the right side. That is d divided by dx of secant square x can be written as secant x whole square. That value is equal to, it is of the form x to the power of n or dabba to the power of n. So n into x power n minus 1, n into x to the power of d by dx of secant x whole square, dabba power n, that is 2 secant x into write the derivative of secant x. The derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. So finally 2 into secant x is in 2 times. So secant x into secant x is nothing but secant square x into tan x. So dy divided by dx is equal to e to the power of secant square x into derivative of secant square is nothing but 2 secant square x into 2 secant square. First write the 2 into 2 in the starting, 2 into secant square x into tan x plus into minus 3 into 1 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Secant square x के डेरिवेटिव ना नोट ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. secant square x के ನೀವು डेरिवेटिव ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is secant square x can be written as secant x whole square, x power n ಆಯಿತು, n into x power n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 into ಮತ್ತೆ secant x के डेरिवेटिव ಬರೀತೀರಾ secant x into tan x. secant into secant becomes 2 secant square x into tan x. ಅದನ್ನ d by dx of secant square x place ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. 2 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 3 into 1 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. In the exponential differentiation, last problem and important problem, if e power x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y, then prove that dy divided by dx is equal to minus e power y minus x. So first consider the given equation. Given equation is of the form e to the power of x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y. E power x plus e power y is equal to e to the power of x plus y. Given that, we have to prove dy by dx is equal to minus e power y minus x. So differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of e power x? E power x plus the derivative of e power y. Let us consider this one is as a dabba. E power y. The derivative of e power y is e power y into dy divided by dx is equal to, in the right hand side is also x plus y is a dabba. The derivative of e power dabba, that is e power dabba into x plus y into d by dx of dabba. Inside the dabba we have x plus y. The derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of y is dy divided by dx. dy divided by dx. Next, e to the power of x plus e to the power of y plus e power y into dy divided by dx is equal to multiply e power x plus y to the both the terms. It becomes e to the power of x plus y into 1 is nothing but e power x plus y plus e power x plus y into dy divided by dx. So take dy by dx as a common factor. Here dy by dx is there, here dy by dx is there. So take dy divided by dx as a common factor. Here the remaining value is e power x minus e power x plus y into dy by dx to the left hand side. Then it becomes negative. So minus e to the power of x plus y. That value is equal to. In the right hand side we have e power x plus y. Here e power x is there. Take e power x to the right hand side. It becomes minus e power x. So dy divided by dx into, observe the given equation. This is the given equation. Call it as equation number 1, because we have to prove that dy by dx is equal to minus e power y minus x. Suppose they were asking like that, find dy by dx, then it's enough. Here, prove that dy by dx is equal to minus e power y minus x. Ade ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ results ನಾವು given equation use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Suppose ಅವರು dy by dx is equal to ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ just find dy by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it's enough answer. It's final answer. So first equation observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here e power y. Here e power minus e power x plus y. ಈ e power x plus y ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಮೈನಸ್ e power minus x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ನೋಡಿ e power y ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ e power x plus y ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ e power minus e power x. In the same way, e power x plus y ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, e power x ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, e power y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ equation 1. I will repeat once again. Here e power y is there, e power x plus y is there. Take e power x plus y to the left hand side. It becomes e power y minus e power x plus y is equal to, take e power x to the right hand side. It becomes minus e power x. So substitute e power y minus e power x plus y to get minus e power x. In the same way, e power x plus y minus e power y minus e power x is equal to e power y. So finally dy divided by dx is equal to dy divided by dx is equal to cross multiply, then e to the power of y divided by minus e to the power of x. dy by dx into, so ಇದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಫೈನಲಿ dy divided by dx is equal to minus e to the power of, ಎರಡು ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ e power y into e power minus x. ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪವರ್ನ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ y minus x e to the power of y minus x. This one is the final answer. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 or 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.